year festival didn't just entertain, but truly transform people. We are more connected than ever yet. So many people feel disconnected from themselves, from their body, from their heart, from their purpose. EvolutionFlow is an immersive, collective experience designed to guide people through a journey of transformation using movement, breath, music, and human connection. This is not a talk, this is not a traditional workshop, it's something you experience in your whole being. In EvolutionFlow, participants move through a complete journey, reconnecting with their origin, releasing emotion, facing their fears, reclaiming their power, and awakening their heart. The body becomes the portal. Emotions become the medicine, and the group becomes a tribe. The result is a powerful collective experience that elevates the energy of the entire festival. People don't just participate, they transform, and that moment stays with them forever. It works with groups of 30 to 300 plus people and can be adapted to different festival formats and audiences. It can be delivered as a 60, 90, 120 minutes immersive session, indoors or outdoors. This experience has already impacted participants in retreats, in communities, conscious gatherings around the world.
Also, including the 4 elements in the breathwork, I feel like that was a very nice touch, and it feels like a very round system. So, as Paul said, you serve well done. Thank you, Luke.
Especially for festivals that value connection, embodiment, and conscious evolution. Because when the body opens and the heart awakens, something essential is remembered. In a world of technology and acceleration, we need experiences that bring us back to who we truly are. EvolutionFlow blends leadership, spirituality, and embodiment into a format designed for collective impact. If you're creating a conscious festival, this is not just another activity. It's an experience that can truly impact your community. This is EvolutionFlow. I am David Lamka, creator of EvolutionFlow, and if you are looking for a unique transformational experience, I would love to take EvolutionFlow to you.